Hi guys, my name is Vinay Kumar from Bhumi Support. I'm back with another video. Today we are going to discuss on how to set up mail connector. To create a mail connector which can establish connectivity to the mail server, we can relay email message by following configurations. Opening the mail connection. Host, it is an IP address or a domain name of a mail server. Port, a command port on a server will listen to incoming connections from the mail connector. For sending, we can use 587. Use TLS option. Select if you are using TLS or transport layer security protocol, meaning all the data exchange between the atom sphere and the server is encrypted with the digital security certificate, which makes difficult to steal your email and password. Use SSL. Select if you are using SSL or secured socket layer to manually import certificate into the Java key store. Then all your data exchange between Atomsphere and server is encrypted with digital security certificate. You need to select user and password authorization. The username can be the account on the mail server. The password can be your password on the account. If you are using two-step verification on the Google or a Gmail, you can go to security, two-step verification, app password, create a name and generate a password. You can use that password or generated password here to establish the connection. Now we are going to the operation of mail connector. All the mail operation list can be statically or dynamically defined in set properties as well. So we can set everything here as well. We need to go to document property connector, select the mail, and you can set body, file name, object, to address and from address. Here I have set only the subject of the mail, that is I have set the static value as payload. If we go to the operation, we have from address, from which address we are sending email, to which address we are trying to send a email. If you are trying to send to a multiple email addresses, you can use semicolon and use multiple email address here. This is the subject or whatever subject you want to set to the email. And disposition, we have inline and attachment. I'm using inline as I'm using a message in text. The content type is plain text as I'm using the text message. So I am testing this process which is already configured. So I'm testing this process which is already configured. We are using cloud test atom. So email is sent, the process is executed successfully. I've clicked on the mail connector and checking for the connection data. So this is from address to address, and subject is payload, and the user is the name user with the name Vinay, and this is the document which is sent to the mail. So if we check, we have given subject at two different location, one in the operation and other in the set properties. So when we give the subject or a to address or from address in the set properties, it will be override the values which was given in the operations. So thanks guys.